from Tokyo lies ancient shrines, a giant Buddha, 1,000 years of history, and the ocean. This is Kamakura, and this is how we spent our last day in Japan. If you're spending a full day in Kamakura like us, and your first destination is likely to be food because you're starting bright and early. Good news! Kamakura Station has a ton of different options. For us, we went with some yummy pastries. Our first stop in Kamakura has two destinations. It's the Hokokuji Temple, or shrine, as well as the bamboo forest, and they're right next to each other. And this one is kind of out of the way from all the other destinations that we have decided to visit. So we took a bus. The bus takes about 15 to 20 minutes from Kamakura Station. The bamboo forest is about $250 per person, and you can't film using a tripod or selfie stick, just your hands. Okay, so our next stop is a place called Tsurugaoka Hachimangu. I think I did that pretty well. And it's a temple. Right outside, it's a mini Shibuya crossing. So we're heading now to the next shrine. These are very quick trips, by the way, because we aren't going there to give offerings at every single one of them. So it's like 10 minutes per shrine. The next one we're going to is I'm going to pronounce this wrong, Zeniarai Benten Shrine, but it is a 30-minute walk and there's no bus. So we're going to walk down to Komachi, which is where the Kamakura station is. It's kind of the downtown area. There's a lot of food, shops, and a ton of people. But there's one shop in particular that we'd like to go visit, and that is the Studio Ghibli shop. Because we haven't seen a lot of Studio Ghibli stuff. Okay, so the other thing that I forgot to mention is that today is November 23rd. If you watched day 2 when we went to the Meiji Jingu Shrine, they had markings all over the place saying that November 23rd was an ancient harvest day. It's also a national holiday today, which is the Labor Thanksgiving holiday. So Kamakura is packed with people, but I presume that it might be a little bit extra packed today because it's a holiday. at the Seniarai Benten Shrine. There are quite a few places to give offerings around the entire area. There are ponds of water, little mini waterfalls everywhere. There's little fish in there too. So the one difference from this shrine and the other ones we've been to is that you can pay to light off incense here. So it smells really good. Now we're at the Sasuke Inari Shrine, and there's this very cool series of red torii gates that lead up to it. While there is more to explore here, we have about 2 hours until sunset. We still have yet to go see the Great Buddha and the ocean. Just as busy as Shibuya Crossing. About to go light some incense and pray. Not pray, well, pray, yes. Okay, here we go. And you get to go in. Yeah. We paid about 300 yen each, $1.50 per ticket. And I actually have no idea if you needed to pay to get in. If you want, you can actually go into the Buddha statue, but it's going to cost you extra. The line was super long, so we're heading to our next destination, which we are approaching right now. It's the beach.
Standing over on that side of the beach, depending on the day, you might be able to see Mount Fuji over this direction.
Over this direction. So it's technically behind this hill area. There's only one spot left on the map for our entire Japan trip. Sushi. Okay, we are at Sushiro Yarakucho, and you guys, this place is awesome. Check it out. You order right here. Get your order, and then it comes through on the train right there. Okay, here I go. Thanks for joining us on our Japanese adventure. If you enjoyed this series, check out some of our other excursions. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here. We'll see you on the next adventure.